Ultimate Guitar versus Guitar Pro. Which tool is best for guitar players? Choosing the right tool can completely change how you learn and play guitar without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options briefly. Ultimate Guitar and Guitar Pro are two popular tools for guitar players. Ultimate Guitar focuses on providing a vast library of tabs and chords, while Guitar Pro offers an interactive sheet music experience with advanced features for composition and practice. Ultimate Guitar is an extensive platform known for its massive collection of guitar tabs, chords, and user-generated content. It allows users to search for songs by artist or genre, making it easy to find what you want to play. The app features a user-friendly interface, enabling quick navigation through tabs and chord charts. One of its strengths is the community aspect, where players can share their own tabs and engage with others. However, it may lack advanced features for deeper music theory or composition. Ideal users include beginners looking to learn popular songs and casual players wanting to expand their repertoire without diving into complex notation. Guitar Pro is a powerful software designed for guitarists who want to delve deeper into music theory and composition. It allows users to create, edit, and play back sheet music, providing a comprehensive learning experience. The software includes features like a metronome, tuner, and the ability to import and export various file formats. Its strengths lie in its interactive capabilities, enabling users to practice along with the playback and visualize their progress. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity and the steep learning curve. Ideal users are intermediate to advanced players who want to enhance their skills and explore music creation. When comparing Ultimate Guitar and Guitar Pro, consider your goals and skill level. If you're a beginner looking for an easy way to learn popular songs, Ultimate Guitar's vast library and community support make it an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you're an intermediate player seeking to improve your music theory knowledge or compose your own pieces, Guitar Pro's advanced features will serve you better. In real-world scenarios, a casual player may prefer the simplicity of Ultimate Guitar, while a dedicated musician might benefit more from the comprehensive tools offered by Guitar Pro. For beginners and casual players, Ultimate Guitar is the recommended choice for its ease of use and extensive song library. For those looking to deepen their musical skills and explore composition, Guitar Pro is the best option. Each tool serves different needs, so choose based on your playing style and aspirations. Happy playing!